GT3 racing, really, didn't he?
He did, yeah, absolutely. Him and his team, you know, GT3, GT4R, and RSRO Formula in reality. And you look at the knowledge that Stefan can draw on as well, going right the way back to, you know, when the old World Sports Car Championship disappeared for the prototype cars, and the BPR Championship was born, which was sort of, I suppose, the championship that replaced it. And yes, Stefan Rattel was the R of BPR, wasn't he? So, you know, he's got 25
of engine issue, he said, but we saw the car running at lunchtime, completing a couple of laps, just making the car as well. And yeah, after the garage, I can see we have had our first take of Maxime Martin, of course, Valentino Rossi's teammate, out on circuit doing his installation lap and working his way around to the grid.
So, starting to see cars come down the pit lane. Actually, Marcus Peverett heading down the pit lane. Of course, he was scheduled to have shared the sole lap pale and not very well, I gather, earlier on today. Drive solo, and the penalty for driving solo is that he will have an additional 55 seconds where he will be either added to his race time or have to remain in the pit lane area. So that's the penalty for him, but it wasn't planned, it was circumstance really that is with the tyre warm-up, shall we put it. So we'll try and jump in and grab a quick word with Tom Sturridge. On the outlap, looking at what you did when you got out of the car, you must have had some rather enthusiastic tyre warming.
Yeah, we tried to keep the tyre warm in here in 20 minutes, so we tried to keep them warm as possible before the start.
And obviously, good result this morning, this afternoon, hoping for more of the same?
Yeah, for sure, we are starting further back, but we try to...
Thank you, Tom Sturridge. We've worked our way up to the grid. A little bit of fuel for knowledge when it comes around to hopefully speaking to Mane later on in the stream. So I'll have to be a bit cheeky and just throw my light underneath his helmet and see if we can grab a word. He may be getting out of the car. Yes, he is. So I was going to jump into the cockpit and grab a quick word with Maxime. But as he gets out of the car, I'll wait for the helmet to come off. We'll grab a quick word. But for the moment, Mark, back up to you.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, Maxime Martin into the pit lane. The car was instantly retired. Maxime was taken to hospital to have his eyes pushed out. Was largely unharmed.
I think we'll try and jump and grab a quick word with Maxime. He's just having a very brief word with his engineer. But if anything, it means you're going to push harder to go forward.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, yeah, yesterday wasn't a great qualifying for us, but you know, it's still a long race. A lot of things can happen, so we will for sure try to push maximum. In some conditions, so everybody wants to do the same. So let's see.
And of course, does that affect how you approach the race? Does the car feel any different?
It's a slight difference, but I don't. We just do the same as the first race, and
cheers, Maxime. We might be able to grab I will just wait for in terms of to say so. Thank you very much. Yeah. So we hear more from Jack down there on the pit lane. So it's the number 32 BMW of Dries Van Toor and Charles Berth that played the first win of the season in the Sprint Cup for Team WRT earlier on today. Yamal Fry racing Ferrari, Steve Dara and on their final formation lap. Let's guide you through the grid then. Number 48, Winwood Racing with Man Filter. Lucas Hauer, Mercedes sits on top formation. Number 9, DCS Mercury, Sean Gudon. Row 2 of the grid, 69, Yamal Fry Racing, Ferrari, Department, 5, 5, 9.
it will be. The red lights are already on the gantry, and we're about to go racing for the second time this weekend, for the second time in 2024. Round 2 of the Fanatec GT World Challenge Europe, powered by AWS Sprint Cup, is about to be unleashed on the Brands Hatch Grand Prix circuit. Red lights are on the gantry. Lights go out now. It's a good start from Lucas Power from pole position as he charges his way up to the mechanical bench for the first time. Alongside on the outside line of Druid. That's not going to work. He now needs to protect that inside line as he goes down in towards Graham Hill Bend. And he just hangs on to his fourth position. Cars having to block each other and attack each other as they weave around. Has managed to pull out a little bit of a gap between himself and Jules Goodall. They're in second position. Kerry Van Arlen, Brennan Fry Racing should be there in third place. But Toyota, Garage 59 is there in fourth place.